In the last video, you learned how to create a basic Astro website in Cloudflare Workers. This time, I will teach you how to add your brand identity and change some basic settings that are crucial for your website. So, without further delay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to your Workers and Pages dashboard, which you can access from Compute and AI, right? So, all you have to do is go here and you can see all your applications. Now, go to your GitHub repository. You can either click on this option right here, or you can go to your project and then click on this option right here, or you can simply go to your GitHub account and access the repository from there. So this is all the code for your website. The first thing you need to do is change the website title and the tagline. For that, you need to go to your source folder, then go to your const.ts file. You will find the site title and the site description right here. All you need to do is change these names. So you can write the brand title right here and the tagline right here. So these consts will be used across your websites. Once you have done that, click on commit changes and once more. Once you make these changes, you can see the deployment right here. So after you make changes, you can see the in progress update const.ts. So every time you make any change in your code, it will send a message to the Cloudflare and it will build the application again and deploy it to the Cloudflare's global network. So make sure that you check the build so that you can understand if there are any errors, right? So look for these logs here. So it says success, which means there are no error. If there are some error, it will fail and give you the detailed message. And if you go to your website now, you will see the title right here, right? So in this way, you can change the website title. The next thing we need to do is change the favicon or site icon, which is on top right here. So these are the website icons. To do that, you have to go to your public folder, and right here you have the favicon.svg. So you can use the platforms like Canva to design your favicon, and if you have a brand, you might already have the svg file. So I already have a favicon right here. I'm just going to go to my repository. First off, I'm going to delete this. So to delete this, you have to go here and click on delete file. This is a little hidden. Most people who haven't used GitHub miss it. Okay, so file successfully deleted. Now upload your favicon. Choose your file and upload your icon. Once it's done, click on commit changes, and now you have added your favicon. Once again, you will see all the changes you make being built right here. So right now it is adding the favicon you have added. The favicon or side icon will not show up right away. It will take some time, but in few hours you will be able to see it. It depends on how fast the cache the cache memory gets deleted. So right now you can see that the original favicon from the template has been removed. The new favicon will be updated in like 1 hour or 2 hours. Another thing you need to do is change some base head code, which are situated in the components. In the components, you will find some files here, and these are reusable elements that you will use again and again in your website, like the header, the footer, the website menu, which is the header link, the formatted date, which will be added to your blog articles, and the base head here, which will add some essential SEO tags and canonicals. So all you have to do is go to the link in the description where I have given you a code, right? So you can go to the code, copy it, and paste it in your base head right here, and then click on commit changes. If you have any other tags that you want to add, like the keywords or anything else, which you want to use again and again, you can also add them right here. I will give you more detail on it in some other tutorials. For now, the most important part is this one, the favicon.svg. If you have some other file name, you can change it right here. All right, so this was the base head, and we will talk more about the header and footer design and the pages design. But for now, let's leave it at that. Let's take one thing at a time. Finally, let's add the sitemap of our website. So right now, if you go to your web application and look for the sitemap, like sitemap index.xml, you'll find that the domain is not the same that you want. Okay, so this is just an example.com. This is not what we want. We need to change this domain to ours. To do that, also make sure that when you look for sitemap, don't just write sitemap.xml like in most website builders. For the Astro, you need sitemap index.xml. Okay, the sitemap is basically it lets search engines like Google and Bing and other search engines in AI search know that you have a new page. It submits the new pages to the Google Search Console, Bing Webmaster Tool, and other websites. So to add your domain, you need to go to your configuration file, which is right here, the astroconfig.mjs. And all you have to do is just change the domain name right here. So whatever your domain you are planning to connect to this website, you have to put it right here. Okay, so we will learn more about how to connect the domain in future videos, but for now, make sure that you write the domain name right here. Okay, or when you connect the domain, that will make sure that your sitemap appears and index all the pages. In the next video, you will learn how to change the header, footer design, how to change the colors of your website and the fonts. For now, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.